So this boat's been driving me nuts. It's been back here for quite a while. It's useless. It's junk. I want it gone, but it's been kind of locked back here. There ain't been enough room to get back here in a couple years. I've been working on clearing shit out, and it looks like I've got a straight run. Just about worked out. Look at this. See it? It's falling off the trailer. So I figured the easiest thing to do is going to be to yank it out here and get it up on a trailer out here. And then I can do what I need to do with it, junkyard or whatever. But it's going to be something when I drag it out with the truck. I figure a real long rope. So I decided I would use the Forester instead, since it's got all-wheel drive. I think I'll have a little better grip and some more power with that instead of the truck. Alright, we're getting there. We've moved it pretty far. It looks like it's going to be a tight squeeze here, but I might make it without wrecking the fence. It should kind of flop to the other side, I think, once I pull it enough. Kind of on the wood over there, but whatever.